Hey there, Lisa Collins. I decided I need to harvest some of my seeds for my lettuce plants, so I have them for next year. And I just learned a quick thing about them. It's pretty cool. I'm going to turn this around so I can show you. Basically, what we do is when the lettuce plants, such as here, you let them bolt, and then they start to flower and bloom. Like here's a yellow flower there. When they get to be the puffy head, you pick off the puffy heads. I usually like to cut them off, and then you put them into a bowl and you squeeze them like this and all the seeds fall out. And there's so much more to learn about seeds, choosing open pollinators versus hybrid and self-pollinating, but that would be another video. Quick follow-up video. The seeds need to be mature, so make sure that they're the darker seeds when you take them out. The first batch that I took out were white seeds, and they were underdeveloped, so there's a couple of them in there. That's it.